Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out a brush from Tangle Teezer. So I've used one already before for detangling and it has no handle, but I'm going to try it for the first time today with you guys. I'm using a brush from Tangle Teezer with a handle. So this is a brush that is good for detangling 3C to 4C curls. I'm going to try it out on my 3A, 3B, 3C curls, a little mixture of everything. And I hope that if you would like to check out my curl results, you'll stick around with me. You won't go anywhere and you'll keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. So like I said, I have used a Tangle Teezer detangling brush. This one right here. Oh, yes. Oh yes. So this one here is the thick and curly detangling brush and I love it. It's great. Fits right in your hand. I had no problem detangling my curls. I really enjoyed it. But then I tried to style with this brush and this brush went slipping and sliding and flying all over the place. It is not a brush that I would suggest to style with. And I knew going into it, this was going to be a mistake and it was, but, yeah, I thought it's time for me to get a Tangle Teezer brush that actually has a handle and I can hold on to it and it's not going to go flying through the air. And this is the brush that I got. So this is it right here. It's still in the packaging because I bought this probably about a month ago and I'm finally sitting down here and I'm going to share with you guys how this brush even detangles and styles with my hair. Am I going to use it to detangle? Probably not. I think I'm just going to use this to style. I think that's what I'm going to do. So this brush is going to be styling my curls today. It is their detangling hair brush. It's for 3C to 4C hair types and it's ideal for wet hair, naturally curly hair. All right, so I'm going to pop this open. Whoa. And that's what I like to see. A handle. I'm really excited about this and I have a feeling that it's not going to go anywhere. Before I get styling with the Tangle Teezer brush, I'm going to start a wash day. Now these curls are oh gosh, they're over a week old. I'm not really sure exactly how many days, but they are screaming to be washed. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go off camera, start my wash day. I'm even going to add the styling products that I'm going to use. And I will have all of that information in the description box below for you guys. So if you're interested, check that out. All right, I'm gonna go jump, do that, and with editing magic, I'll be right back. Voila, done and done. Washed, mask, I have my styling products on. So now it is time to pick up the Tangle Teezer brush and start styling. All right, after separating the curls half up and half down, as you can see, I'm creating smaller sections and I'm gonna use a very easy, very basic way to style with the brush today. I'm not gonna get fancy with it, just keep it nice and easy, and I'm gonna face the bristles towards me and then I'm going to hold very close between my hair and the brush and smooth the brush through my curls so it's also smoothing past my hand and then shaking out those curls and then moving on to the next section. So I'm going to keep this easy little technique going and continue to the opposite side and let's get moving and grooving a little faster. All right, I am done. I have styled with the Tangle Teezer. I'm gonna go ahead and let my curls dry for about an hour or two. Then I'll diffuse, and then I'll continue with my typical wash day routine. I'll scalp massage, I'll separate my curls, I'll scrunch out the crunch if needed, fluff, and then I will have my finished results with the Tangle Teezer. My friends, I'm not mad about this at all. I'm actually very impressed with my definition, and I had some really great curl clumps before separating and creating these separate curls right here. I am very much looking forward to using this Tangle Teezer brush more and more for styling my curls and using it in different kind of like techniques to create the styled curls. And I'm also very excited to try to detangle with this brush. So I will have another video hopefully sooner than later. So let me know in the comments down below if you have ever actually used a Tangle Teezer brush or any other videos that you would like to see. So all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and checking out today's video. I hope that you come back and join me next week, and I'll have another new video for you. Thanks again for watching. Take care. So this is, I told you you're not supposed to make any sounds or any noise. You're supposed to stay quiet. I'm obviously not going to use this part.
Why? It's obviously not good enough.
That's not what I mean.
That's exactly what you mean.
No. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to huff up. And I'm looking forward to trying out this brush. This brush. I want to try out this brush. It is very lightweight. Like, happy with these curl results. Curl. Why can I not say that? Curl. Yeah.